If you're ready to do math today and you have your coffee ready, join me in the simultaneous sip.
The question we're working on today is, simplify the following expression. And the expression is 2 plus 2.
Smash that like button and let's get started.
Alright, this should be a quick one today because this was taken from a first grade math book. So we'll start off by writing 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. So of course the next step is we're going to subtract 5 halves and add 5 halves to the right hand side. Okay, so now what we could do is we could take the square root of 2 minus 5 halves squared. And we still have the plus 5 halves and plus 2. Well, we might as well FOIL out what 2 minus 5 halves squared is. And when we do that, we get 4 minus 10 plus 5 halves squared. And that's all inside of the square root, of course. And we still have the plus 5 halves and the plus 2. Well, what's the most natural thing to do with the inside of the square root there? Well, of course, we're going to subtract 5 and add 5 inside of the square root. So it's 4 plus 5 minus 5, right? That's just adding 0, minus 10 plus 5 halves squared, all inside the square root, and plus 5 halves plus 2. Well, what's 4 plus 5? It's 9, believe me. I guess we could go through the whole process. Minus 15 plus 5 halves squared. Plus 5 halves plus 2. And now notice inside of that square root, that's a perfect square. We could rewrite that, if we factored it, it's the square root of 3 minus 5 halves squared. Okay, so that's great. We have a square root and a squared. We'll be able to cancel those out. Okay, so when we do that, our expression, right, 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 minus 5 halves plus 5 halves plus 2. Now the minus 5 halves and the plus 5 halves cancel. And so we could conclude that 2 plus 2 equals 5. Let me know in the comments where you think I went wrong. Make sure to subscribe for more Coffee and Math with Dr. Wesselcouch. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.